What are you doing?
Why don't you put your pan over here and so you can put everything in it and then take it over there, and you need a 1/3 cup of cocoa.
We're making no-bake cookies. Chocolate ones.
Annoying. Yeah, chocolate because it's better.
Nuh-uh. Peanut butter ones are better.
Then put your 2 cups of sugar in this way and then stir it around. Put it in too long.
Nuh-uh.
You want a
Fill
little?
up
5
full.
seconds.
Sugar you want to fill full. Now stir them in together so that when you put the milk in it, it won't
what, Mother?
It won't lump up. The chocolate won't come out.
The
Only.
chocolate won't stick to the bottom.
No, the chocolate will come up. A 1/2 cup of milk.
Half a cup.
1/2 cup,
Oh,
girl.
yeah. I was going to 2/3. I was going 2/3.
That's why I didn't want to do it.
That's one of the things she was doing. Stir it white. Get that stirred up, then you put your butter in. You can use one of these to run cold water in it when it boils, so it goes into a ball.
My gosh.
Smells so much better than peanut butter.
Okay, get your butter in there and start stirring.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a 1/2 cup. That's why I buy the sticks of margarine, because I like using that instead of dipping it out.
Sticks of butter is a lot better.
For cooking it sure is.
You can stick that on the stove and stir it.
Yeah, you can
That
put it right on the
way it'll
stove.
melt quicker.
Yep.
Because we don't put all the nuts and stuff in this.
No,
Looks like there's nuts in there right now with that butter the way it looks.
it won't though once it starts boiling.
Once it starts melting, then you can see it.
And it was me and her. It was on our vacation. Back in 2020, I think.
I was like 6 years old. Grandma makes these every time we go on vacation. Both chocolate and peanut butter.
If you want to see us, if you want to see us make the peanut butter ones, make sure you give us a subscribe.
Yeah, please do. We're on the road to 5,000.
If you want to make fudge after this, we can do that.
I want fudge. And Mom makes fudge with the same recipe as she does the,
No bakes.
yeah,
Just without the oats, right?
yeah, without the oats, yep.
This is how we make pies too.
Well, I
Chocolate
mean,
pies.
well,
not
no,
like this, but like constantly stirring.
yep.
But that's whisking now. No, or, do we whisk the pies?
No.
No, something. Gravy. I'm thinking of gravy.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh.
It's starting to simmer.
So now that you've let it boil a bit, you have to put it in cold water, some in
So
cold
like
water
this?
to see if it goes
Get
into
it in there.
into a ball.
Looks like it.
I did it just a little bit longer and then put peanut butter in it, vanilla in it, and then your taste that. It's good.
It is good. I used to eat it all the time when we make it.
Yeah, you should try it one more time.
Now?
Go ahead, yes, because I might be done by now. Just test it with your fingers. Check it and see if it goes into a ball. Does it go into a ball?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah, it's like.
If it goes into a ball, yeah.
Okay. And you
Two,
gotta,
two teaspoons of vanilla is what it calls for.
and then you gotta do it quickly. And then add the peanut butter in.
How much peanut butter?
Just take, well, I don't know with that, you know. You can't,
You need
you need something so that you don't get chocolate all through it. That's,
keep
yeah,
going, keep going. You need a little bit more than that.
That's enough.
Okay, now stir it in real quick.
Grab your roast over there. You need a measuring cup too. Oh, right there, that's one.
What?
Two
It's thickening.
Okay, you need 2 cups of that oats.
Four cups,
Oh,
or 3 cups.
3?
3 cups of, yeah, quick roll out. You should have just stuck it right in there.
Hurry up.
yeah, you wanna hurry. You
Hurry.
gotta do it quick.
Yeah,
Okay?
there's 2.
One more?
One
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, you're gonna wanna. Oh, that's good.
Now, why wouldn't we have enough for peanut butter ones?
You might.
You're making the peanut butter ones. My arm's tired.
Yep, just plop them on there.
Oh man.
Golly.
You want to do it?
And you said I was making a mess.
I did not.
This is Alicia. She's a good cook, but she makes a mess when she cooks.
Give me a spoon or something.
My guy.
No. Give me a spoon.
Scared the
Holy
crap out of Nash.
Too big.
No, go keep going.
Those look like turds.
Yeah.
Those looks like turds too.
No, they do not.
You know. These are turd cookies.
What in the shoot?
Oh my golliness.
Guys, I don't think she knows what she's doing.
Right there, you can put one.
That's pretty fricked up, Haley.
I don't know. They look pretty good to me. Maybe right here.
Don't even judge, Grandma.
She made a mess.
And huge cookies.
Oh, are they supposed to be smaller?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if you can move that, but
Yeah, if you put them closer together.
Well, I don't want them
Well-
to stick.
well, she didn't.
You see your spoon a minute.
Ow!
Well, now she just.
Now it really looks like a turd, Grandma. Good job.
Look at as big as you make them.
Well, I mean, at least we won't have to go back for 2. Now they just gotta cool.
And they're Alicia approved.
They're what?
They're Alicia approved.
Huh?
Can you have enough?
Do they taste like grandma's?
Yep. They're always a 10 out of 10
I
for me.
think so.
Always a 10 out of 10
Do
for me.
one batch, it should be enough.
Okay.
Where's your cup at?
Oh, Alicia stole it.
Here.
The frick I did.
Round 2. Peanut butter, no bake.
It's about time.
Still didn't get my fudge though.
That's half a cup. I'd use
It is a
that.
half a cup.
Yeah, it is, but
Here.
there's no chocolate in it.
Okay, there you go. Good.
Are you sure? Why the heck are you using that?
It's
Why the heck does it matter,
easier.
Oh, she just used that. Gonna have a little bit of chocolate in it
It don't
now.
matter. You'll never see it. Here. Stir it.
Grandma's always gonna yell at you.
I know. This looks gross.
Maybe you shouldn't have made it, huh?
Look at it.
That's the way it always looks.
Okay.
Butter.
Half cup of butter.
How much? Where do I put it?
Put it on high, right, Ma?
Yeah.
And stir it.
Keep stirring, yeah.
Where the frick is the peanut butter at?
It
You don't
comes
put
after.
the peanut butter in till it gets boiled and comes to a ball.
All right, now what are we doing?
Now putting a little bit of in so that we
Keep
can.
going, dump it a little bit. There you
Good.
Whoops.
go. Let's see if it's ready. Not ready yet, is
No,
it?
Golly.
yeah, boil it longer.
So she's still gonna boil.
What
what you-
fun.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that's what you get when you get what you want, right? You have to.
See now, you guys can learn how you can do it yourself next time.
What?
Yeah, if I'm not around, you can make it. Just gotta copy the recipe then,
Well,
or take a picture of it.
something, but you're if
The cookie
you're
master.
around, if you're around, you're making them.
Yeah.
Told her.
Jenny.
But just take it like that a little bit. It's ready. See, it's in a ball.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
All
Take it
right.
off.
Ready for them oats, Frederickson?
Not yet. We gotta
I
put
don't
the put the peanut butter in and the vanilla.
Here's your vanilla. Here's your spoon.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Two vanillas.
Two?
2 of them.
Whoa.
That's okay. Ain't gonna hurt it any.
Nope.
Slow down.
Good.
All right, and then we gotta have the peanut butter. So how much
Like
peanut
dry.
butter, Ma?
Uh,
How much peanut butter? Keep
Put-
going. No, put your peanut butter in.
Put 2 peanut butter, 2
2
spoons
scoops.
of. Oh, you gotta have full one that, especially for peanut butter ones. Oh, just
What?
Just keep going.
Hurry up.
don't tell her to hurry.
I just did.
I don't like this game.
You don't like this game?
No. This game sucks.
Are you gonna like it when it's done, or
Yeah.
You want to put more peanut butter in there. I'm telling you.
there you go. That was a good one.
There you go. Now take your finger and wipe it off.
Just
Use the
Or
Use
a
the
spoon.
Oh my gosh.
in the back too. Yeah. There you
Better
go.
hurry up because it'll go
Oh
hard
my
on
golly. You do it.
No,
you.
you are
No,
doing
you
it.
guys got to do it.
But you gotta, you know. Oh,
golly. Now who's cleaning the stove? Not me.
You can put your oats in 3. You need 3 cups.
2. I thought.
3.
I thought it was 3. Okay. Yeah, it was 3. There you go.
Can we just put the rest in there?
No, because it'll make it too
Yeah,
much in
too
there.
much.
I know
It'll make
it's
it'll
not
dry.
only a little bit in there, but
Ouch. Come on, dog.
Oh, yeah, parchment paper.
Yeah, well, you shall be quiet and get moving.
Really, idiot. We put that back in there.
No.
Yeah, I was having.
Okay, move. Yeah, but you put the oats there on the.
Oh, that smells good.
It does smell good. I'll give you that, and they do taste good. I just prefer the chocolate.
So how much sugar is in there?
2 cups, and then we're gonna do a half a cup of milk
yep.
because we are making my fudge. And then
And you stir that.
no, I forgot to put the cocoa. Matters.
Come here.
And then,
Looks a lot like Alicia's chocolate thingy-ma-bob.
really, it's the same recipe.
I know.
Okay, you put your margarine.
Is it good?
Good.
Can you throw that in the garbage for me? Thanks.
Now you gotta do the same as both of us. Right?
Yep.
Golly.
That looks like a hippo coming out of the mud. Does it not? Right here. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's good. Just
Yeah.
put your peanut butter in it and you're ready. It's good.
All right. That should be enough, right?
It's plenty, yes, because you don't, this it'll get hard quicker.
Can somebody? Delicious.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you give it?
10.
Of course you give it a 10.
Chocolate's better.
Yeah, I agree.
Mm-mm.
But I agree also that my fudge is better than no bake.
No.
Who else?
No.
Everyone thinks you're hilarious.
What is your guys' favorite? Do you like fudge better? Do you like chocolate no bakes better, or the peanut butter no bakes, or peanut butter fudge?
Chocolate, no bakes.
Peanut butter, no bakes.
No.
Chocolate fudge.
Ah.
Because then you've got a big mouth.
What's better?
What do you like better? The chocolate?
Wait, what? No, you gotta wait until it. What?
These are a lot flaky.
Duh.
Yeah, but flavor wise, which do you like better?
Chocolate or the peanut butter?
I like the ending.
Mine.
No, it's tough.
Just say it. It's mine. We know.
Yeah.
You get another taste, y'all.
Bruh. Seriously?
I'll take the chocolate ones.